Hi everyone, I'm Zenobia Mertel, your host of Inspired Living. Honoring the majestic beauty of nature, Alexandra Bowers joins me today to discuss her artistic endeavor involving wood, fire, and water. Okay, Alexandra, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Okay, tell us a little bit about why you use this medium and what is it?
Yeah, so I'm from the desert, born and raised, and so I like this idea of working with the natural landscape and the natural beauty that kind of surrounds our cities and whatnot, and I kind of fell into wood burning a while back, so it just works for me.
Wood burning, okay. What in your childhood kind of helped you evolve and get into this field?
Yeah, so my parents were really big into nature and the outdoors, and so when I was really little, they would say, look kids, you gotta put on your tennis shoes and we're gonna take you outside. So just getting out of the city with them was super impactful now that I'm an adult, kind of looking back.
So it was kind of ingrained, you were in it.
Yeah.
And so then how do you make this? Tell us what it is exactly and how you create this artwork.
Yeah, for sure. It's almost like performing surgery on wood. That's kind of the best analogy that I like to use. Or even for those people who have tattoos, it's very similar to a tattoo process on skin. And so I'm working with a little tiny iron that almost looks like surgical equipment, basically. And so the way I create my work is I pencil sketch first. I burn into the pencil on the wood. So I almost have like a cheat sheet of where I want to place the heat. And at this point, I'm adding color to the pieces as well. So they're more kind of a mixed media and they pop a lot more than they used to without the color.
And it's artwork that people put up on the wall and can frame and all that.
Oh, yeah, and typically you don't even need to frame it. The panels that I work with are about 2.5 inches in depth. So they kind of pop off the wall and they're sort of a piece in and of themselves without a frame. But yeah, they can go anywhere.
Nice. So it's an all-in-one kind of thing.
Totally.
And super unique. So when people are looking for art, sometimes that's what they want, is something really different and unique.
Definitely.
I love it.
Yeah, and authentic to the desert. I mean, we're so immersed in, being in our cars and our homes, and we live in a really hot climate where we want to be comfortable, right? And so we tend to kind of lose that interaction with nature. And so what I'm trying to do with my art is bring people back to what lives around their world, basically, and to remember that.
That's great. Okay, so I know you work in a space that has other artists kind of in the area.
Yep.
How do they inspire you to live your best inspired life as an artist?
Yeah, for sure. Well, they're all super talented individuals, and I don't have a background of working with other artists. I've always worked where I've lived. And so being able to show up every day and have others around me who are doing essentially the same thing, we're kind of all in the same grind together, and it's tough out there. So it's nice to have a support system, especially if you're working with certain clients and maybe you need other feedback other than yourself. And so you can go to those people and ask for, for some help.
Right, it's all about collaboration, which we love here at Inspired Media. Thanks for joining us for this episode. We'll catch you next time. I want to see some of it.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see it.
I have some.